Welcome to Collier's Wood Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to run the Powermatic 209. First thing you want to do is make sure you got dust collection. This thing puts out a lot. You want to make sure you got 220 hookup. The 209 takes 220. Alright, just a quick walk around. You see the 209 right there. We'll loosen up our knobs to move the table down some. And what I do first is I adjust the table for the boards I'm using with that little stop there. Come up and touch. And then I back it off right about one turn, half a turn, somewhere in that neighborhood. And then you can see how it just slides in. Then I'll make a pass. Tighten everything up. Tighten it up. Now I got it locked in. Turn on my dust collector. Very important to have a dust collector. Open up the gate. Turn the machine on. We're ready to rock and roll. We feed the first board through. Once you do this for a little while, you'll be able to hear it, whether it's cutting enough or not enough. So I make this first pass, and then I make an adjustment. I take another turn on it, tighten the table back up, and I run it through. And now I've got a good cut going here. I've got 6 boards to do, so I'll run all 6 boards through one side, and then I'll flip them and do a turn and do the other side. Just remember, when you're using a planer, we're not in the business to make sawdust. We're in the business to get things level. So we finish up, we turn off the dust collector, and you can see just for those 6 boards, she's made a little bit of sawdust there. It's probably about a half of a 15 gallons worth. There you go. There's my 6 boards that I got done. They all came out 1 3/8. Right there, that's how it's done, folks. That's how I use my Powermatic 209. Great machine, love it. Would highly recommend it.